So friends, 5 tips which you have to follow while planting a lady's finger plant. So tip 1 is that you have to plant the seeds when there is abundant rain. Or if there is no monsoon, what you have to do is you have to process the seeds before planting. So in order to process, either you can immerse it in a cup of water for about 5 days, and then after the seed germinate, you can then plant them. Or I'll give you a very simple tip, that is you take a flat mud container, a mud pot which is a bit flat, and fill the mud pot with cow dung. And then what you do is you sprinkle it with water, you make the cow dung wet, and then you bury the seeds one by one in that container, and friends will be surprised to see 100% germination within 3 days. Yeah, within 3 days the seeds tend to germinate if you plant it like this. So friends, the second tip is that you have to bury the seeds in its own container. So never tend to repot the plant after the plant germinates, because this lady's finger plant's roots are very sensitive to pressure. So if you tend to pull it out and replant it, I'm sure your plant will not grow well. So it's advisable to plant the seeds in its own container and never you try to replant it further. So friends, the third tip is that you have to plant the plant in a place where it gets abundant direct sunlight so that your plant will be resistant to fungal infections. So friends, the fourth tip is that apart from feeding it with cow dung and compost it, you have to feed it regularly with powdered neem cake. That is, neem cake will help the plant to overcome all sorts of pest and fungal infections. So fifth tip is that you're not supposed to prune your lady's finger plants unless and until it is of utmost necessity. That is, when a twig or a branch dries completely, you're supposed to snip it off. Otherwise, never go in for pruning your lady's finger plants. So friends, follow these 5 simple tips and grow your own lady's finger plants and enjoy abundant harvest. So friends, I hope that this video would be quite informative and helpful for you to set up your own kitchen garden. So friends, do share my videos if you feel that it's really useful.